Mila's English Class and School presents Idiom of the Day. I have bigger fish to fry. Meaning, to not be interested due to having other matters to attend. Example, I can't focus on practice right now with so much homework. I have bigger fish to fry. Check out these contextual examples.
We got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger fish to fry.
No, my friend, I've got bigger fish to fry. I spoke to Harlan Hartley.
I've got bigger fish to fry!
I bigger fish to fry.
It's got bigger fish to fry.
Frankly, I have bigger fish to fry.
We've got bigger fish to fry now.
And that's bigger fish to fry in Philadelphia.
We've got bigger fish to fry right now.
Now Matilda had bigger fish to fry.
Honestly, don't know, but I have bigger fish to fry.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English learning videos.